Alright nerds, so let's have a little summary on the different properties of matter. Now by the end of this you should be able to understand that every pure substance will have its own unique set of properties or characteristics which we can use to describe it or then identify it. So this is your vocabulary, just pause the video now, write this down, and you can refer back to this as we're going along. So physical properties, these are the characteristics we can use to describe or identify a pure substance. So these are the things which are true about it regardless. Now, these are unique to each pure substance, right? So a pure substance doesn't share its physical properties with another substance. And if we're able to measure those pure substances, or if we're able to measure those properties, we can determine or identify that pure substance. Or we can also make predictions of, if we know the properties of a substance, when it's going to be useful. Now, the melting point is, again, these are all unique. So this is the temperature at which a solid will turn into a liquid at sea level, or 1 atmosphere. It says the sea level pressure. It's also is the temperature which will go from so if we're cooling down, to go from a liquid to a solid. So the freezing point and the melting point are the same, and we measure it in degrees Celsius. Then there's the boiling point. This is the temperature which, again, at 1 atmosphere, so whatever the pressure is at sea level, it's actually 100 kilopascals, but doesn't matter, 1 atmosphere will do. It is the temperature which a substance will go from a liquid to a gas as we heat it up. Or if we cool it down, the temperature at which it will go from a gas to a liquid. Now, let's have a look at density. This is the mass, so how much of something there is in a unit of volume, so per milliliter, or centimeters cubed is the actual preferred unit for milliliter. So it's the amount or mass which we would weigh per unit of volume, so the amount of mass of something we fit in a certain amount of space. And we work this out by dividing the mass by the volume, and that gives us units of grams per centimeters cubed. So you see, these are all numbers as well. They're numbers that we can measure. Then there's the electrical conductivity. This is the ability to basically run current, so to have electricity flow through something, and we measure this in millisiemens per meter. So how much current is able to move from one point to another a meter along in that substance. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe so that you can keep up with everything we're putting out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.